What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the brand new Nike Terra Kaiga 5 Off-Whites in the white colorway. So the first thing I noticed about this shoe is that the details on this is ridiculous. There's so much different details on here. So let's just first start off with like the zip tie. This is not your typical zip tie. This is a green zip tie with a fuzzy material throughout the whole thing. So it's sort of like grass or like some sort of soft fuzzy material, and there's no wording at all. It's just plain green. Does that say anything like the typical red zip ties? And the shoes also have two laces, as you can see here, a lime with 3M hits on it with a shoelace in the parentheses on the tips, and then the white shoelace with the shoelace in parentheses, same on both shoes. Yep, and let's go to the tongue right now. Very soft foam tongue, typical off-white tongues pretty much on both shoes. And let's see what the word says here. Typical Nike message, yeah. It's gonna yellow for sure like the other off-white, but no big deal. Really nice shoe. We have plastic Nike printed on the toe cap right here. Suede on the gray area. A little bit of plastic that secures the second outer laces. And let's look at the inside, the crazy part. Off-white stamped on here. Three stripes of words right here, engineered to the exact specification of trail runners. Warned to be wild. The inside swoosh is a silver material, so that's really cool. It's a really unique touch to the shoe on its white colorway. And if you look here, the printing is on all three material. They just stamped it on. And you can see the printing is on the suede, synthetic, and the swoosh. Yep. And let's check out the bottom. This is the bottom of the shoe, the craziest part in my opinion. What we have here is just track spikes and rubber. They're not sharp, like you can actually bend them and stuff. It doesn't poke your hand like the typical track spikes. They're really soft. So if you wear them, they're just gonna get destroyed really quick just because they're so sharp. And let's check out the back. I mean, not the back, the side here. Red off-white tag on here on the side here, Nike Zoom. And this swoosh is stamped on as well on the synthetic material, foam, and the suede. Very nice touch. Red lace locks to keep the lime laces secured. Back tongue here, Nike Air in suede. Crazy. This shoe is insane. And yeah, let's briefly go over the box right now. This is just like an orange Nike box, not your typical off-white box, but you have 3 holes, 5 holes total. Actually no, 7 holes total back here. This is a size woman 7, men 5.5. So you would have to go down 1.5 size if you're a man. From Undefeated raffle. I haven't tried these on, so I don't know the exact size you should go. But from what I hear, people are saying to go true to size from your typical men's size if you're a man, and women's is your typical woman's size as well. So just go true to size. That's just what I heard. I haven't actually tried it on myself, so it's really cool. And another thing I noticed is like the back heel right here, it sticks out. It reminds me of like some other running shoe right here. The tongue just sticks out like a sharp pointy thing. And yeah, just try a really unique shoe. Retail $180. And no, this isn't really too important, but this is the paper that comes with it. Yeah, nice. Just off-white paper. Yeah, there we have it. Terra Kaiga 5 in the white colorway. Let's get it.